Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials: signed-in Xbox/Microsoft account and a working network. Next, locate your 25-character digital code, scratch off or email copy works. On console, press the guide button and go to Store Redeem. On PC, open the Xbox app or visit xbox.com/redeem. Once done, enter the code exactly, use hyphens if shown, and choose the account or profile for the purchase so content links to the right gamer tag. You enter the code and press Redeem. If an error appears, retype slowly and double-check characters. If the code covers only part of a purchase, make sure your payment method is valid and on file. Once accepted, review the order summary and confirm the purchase. Pay attention to currency and region restrictions because some codes are region-locked. After confirmation, content begins download or is added to your library. Make sure installed content targets the desired storage device. You finish by going to My Games and Apps to start the download or to confirm the content appears in your library. Select Install and monitor progress. If redemption fails, stop and verify the code's region, expiration, and that you used the correct account. Once done, try again. If problems persist, gather your code, purchase receipt, and screenshots, then contact Microsoft support. Provide details and order ID so they can resolve redemptions, refunds, or activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.